Here's how to copy YouTube comments. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Now open any video that has comments you want to copy. Tap on the comments section below the video. If you try to tap and hold on a comment, you'll notice that YouTube does not allow you to directly copy comments inside the app, so we'll use a quick workaround. Go back to the video screen. Tap on the share button below the video. From the sharing options, tap on copy link. The YouTube video link will now be copied. Now open any browser such as Brave. Tap on the address bar and paste the YouTube link you just copied and open the video. Once the video opens in the browser, open the comments section below. Now tap and hold on the comment you want to copy. Drag the selection handles to select all the text from that comment, and tap on copy. The comments are now copied to clipboard. You can paste the copied comment in the Notes app. And that's it.